So today we're here to help you replicate your IFS directories on IBM I from one partition to another using Robot HA. So on this system, I have a directory that I don't have on my other system. And that directory is TomH4. And we'll see we have some objects in it, not a huge directory, but enough for our example today. And I have another partition here that I don't have that directory on. So I've opened up my home directory. We'll see TomH, TomH2, TomH3, no TomH4 that we need. So back to our production server. We go into Robot HA, we type in RBO, take option 1. The product is active already. Once we're in Robot Setup, we can come into where the libraries are and press F11, and we can toggle to where our IFS directories are. I have a bunch of IFS directories set up, but I don't have TomH4 that we want to add. So I press F6, I type in my directory path, I specify my to server, which is called backup. An interval I can let default to 10 minutes. We're going to have Robot HA manage the journals. We're going to let Robot HA create the local and remote journal for this IFS directory. We're going to have Robot HA control the deletion of it. We will certainly have it fix any wrong journaled IFS information. And with that, I'm just going to hit enter. What's going to happen is Robot HA is going to create a new rule. And that rule is already going to have the journal attributes set up for the local part of this IFS directory. And it's also going to have the remote journal set up on my backup server. Okay. Now, if we go over to the other server here, we'll see again, if I press F5, TomH4 doesn't exist. So what I need to do is go back to Robot HA, and I'm going to do option 8 for sync. What that's going to do is it's going to submit a job off to batch. That batch job is going to run in the background. It's going to replicate this directory, and when it's done, this last sync will be updated. And you see we have it now. And if I go over to my target server, I will now see a new directory. So back to my local system, my production system. And let's say I want to go in and change some data in that directory. So I'm just going to use green screen all the way here. Obviously, there are other ways to change your IFS directory information or data in it, like uploading a new spreadsheet or something like that. I'm going to go into the directory TomH2. I'm going to display the objects that are in there. And notice I have a text file and a CSV file. I'll choose number 2 here. And I can go in and edit it. And I'm usually not very creative, but I do things like here. Like my demo. Okay, let me put demonstration. All right, so I hit enter. When I F3 out of here, the system is going to say the file's been changed. So I press F3 to save it. I'll just double check, make sure I saved it. We'll see those changes there. Now, if I go to my backup system, and I have TomH4 there, and I look at the files that are in here, you'll see that I have a customer list.txt, and when I display it, it now says Tom was here. So the cool thing about Robot HA and replicating the IFS directory is it is real time. The data changes, you're uploading spreadsheets, adding a new PDF, all those things are happening on the fly with the product. So maybe somebody doesn't believe me, so what I can do is I could copy this file. So now I've created a new text file, And if I press F5 here, I'll see I have the new file here. And if I go to my backup server and do work link again and look at directory TOMH4, we will now see customer list 2. And of course it has the little data change I made earlier. That all goes through journaling. It's pretty cool. IFS replication. There are exceptions to IFS replication. You can't replicate image files that are using the image catalog on the system, and the old document management, QDLS, QDoc, whatever you call it, whatever you refer to it as. If you have documents in there, those cannot be replicated real time. But other things in the IFS can be replicated in real time. And so I know many of you are running HTTP servers and data spreadsheets and PDFs in the IFS. Now, here's how easy it is to replicate those using Robot HA. Thank you very much.